Hi everybody, Tyson here again, and let's see what's happening at the cafe this week, the week of September 20th, 2021. Our breakfast special is a bacon Denver omelet. That's 3 eggs, bacon, peppers, onions, and American cheese with a side of tots. Our weekly special is the ham banh mi. That's ham, cilantro, cucumber, carrots, jalapeno, onions, and mayo on a tolero roll. Our featured side this week is a Japanese potato salad. That's smashed potatoes, carrots, cucumber, and green onions tossed in a sesame mayo. Our soup forecast is as follows. Monday is chili, Tuesday chicken noodle, Wednesday broccoli cheese, Thursday tomato bisque, Friday beef barley. Our promotion this week is buy one, get one peach tea. So come on down and get some of that peach tea. The food tip of the week actually came because someone asked me why a recipe was off. In a lot of recipes, they will give you a certain amount of salt to put in. And someone came up to me and said, I used that same amount of salt, but it was too salty. So I did some research and I figured out what it was. So when somebody writes a recipe, there's two kinds of salt that's commonly used in the kitchen, right? There's your kosher salt, which has a little bit more of a coarse gradient. And then there's your table salt, iodized salt. These are the two most common. You got many other kinds of salts too, but let's focus on these two as far as cooking goes. Now, the problem with the difference in this is it's done by volume and not by weight. If you took, let's say, a cup of kosher salt and weighed it compared to a cup of iodized salt, what ends up happening is you find out that the iodized salt is actually twice as heavy because it's twice to 3 times actually as heavy because it's a little bit more of a fine gradient. So you're actually getting more salt in there than you would with kosher salt, which is a coarse gradient, meaning some of that volume is actually filled with like space and air and whatnot. So how do we combat this? Because sometimes the recipe will just say salt and you don't know if it's kosher salt or iodized salt. My suggestion is when it comes to cooking, culinary, season to taste. So season as you go, season to taste. Remember, you could always add salt, but you could never take it away. All right? I'll see you guys at the cafe. Later.